Hey, I'm Big Lou, and this is Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. And today what I want to do is show you how you can make pork rinds in the air fryer. And then we're going to season them up real nice with this Uncle Steve's Shake SpicyR version. You can use the original if you want to. That's pretty good too. I've tried it with the Gator Shake and the thick meat on the pork rinds. Those are different, good, different, but the best is either the original or, if you like me, the SpicyR. SpicyR is my favorite. All right, anyway, maybe you saw my pork rinds in the microwave video. That's a very convenient way to cook pork rinds, and it works, and they're pretty good. Now, of course, the best tasting ones are to deep fry them, but that's not always the most convenient. But very close to that is cooking them in the air fryer. And since I got an air fryer about 1.5 years ago, I've been making a lot of pork rinds in the air fryer. And just like the microwave, where you don't want to burn them, if you overcook them in the microwave, they're going to stink. So do not burn them if you do them in the microwave, all right? You want to be, there's a precaution with the air fryer too. I'll show you that. But let's get started. Cooking these pork rind pellets. Sometimes I run into people that don't know that you can make pork rinds at home. You know, they come in these little pellets, right? Like that. You see, got a whole little jar of them, all right? I buy them at my local meat market, all right? Let's do some pork rinds in the air fryer. Let's get started. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna have it all the way up to 400, and we're gonna set this for about 8 minutes, but they'll likely be done in about 5, so we're gonna check them at that point. Now, what I wanna show you, use the big pellets, these little tiny broken pieces like that, maybe. They can get stuck inside here. You see inside, this is the Magic Chef, but a lot of them are like that. It's got that coil. And the small ones, as they blow around, they can get stuck in there. And if they do, it'll burn and make a real mess. So be careful using really tiny ones. Just do those in the microwave. But we're gonna get some big ones in here like this. All right, just throw them in there. Just throw them in the basket. So they're going in that basket like that, okay? Just drop them all in there. I'll try to get it in the shot here for you. All right, there we go. Just in a basket, just like that. Shove them in. Turn it on about, oh, I got a little over it. Probably be done in 5, but we might have to go 8. You can hear them blowing around in there. Be back when it's been about 4 minutes. I don't know if you can hear it over the sound of the air fryer, but they're beginning to crack. Doesn't sound like popcorn, but you can hear them popping. And kind of hear them in there popping. And once it stops, then you know they're ready. All right, now they're just blowing around, so I'm pretty sure they're done. So we're just gonna, look at that. Look at that. Hot, fresh pork rinds. You can still hear the snap, crackle, pop on them. Listen. You hear that? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in this paper lunch sack right like that. So just gonna try to dump them all in this paper lunch sack. And without dropping any. There we go. I'll do it this way so you can see better. And yeah, I dropped a few. They're on the counter though, it'll be good. You can still hear them. You hear them? All right, now, Uncle Steve's SpicyR. You can use the original if you want. Get it? Pork rinds just taste better. You didn't see me put them in there, but you know what? I did. I'll put that a little more. All right? And just shake it up. Pork rinds just taste better out of a paper lunch sack. They just do. You can put them on a plate if you want. I still cook them in the microwave every now and then for convenience sake, but the air fryer does a better job, tastier job, a lot more convenient than deep frying. And you know, I don't really eat these because it's keto friendly or anything. I know they're kind of popular now. I eat them just because I'm country folk. You know, it's always country folk and soul food and whatever, you know, but now they're kind of trendy because they don't have carbs. Anyway, get that Uncle Steve Shake all shook up in there. That's another great thing about the lunch sack. Look at that, look at that. Can you see in there? Look at all this pork rinds. Now I do want to tell you, Uncle Steve's does have MSG in it. And if you're MSG sensitive, be careful. I think I am a little MSG sensitive, so I don't use this as much as maybe I would otherwise. But I gotta tell you that Uncle Steve's is really good on these. Great ball game food too. Anyway, thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue. I can't stop, can't stop, can't stop. I saw Uncle Steve put this on popcorn. That stuff is good. It's not just like a barbecue rub. It's like a great seasoning for snack food and all kinds of things. And this, pork rinds, great snack food. Work well in the air fryer. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.